I am Teacher Rene, and I am so glad to have you back with us. As you know, we are going to start our new online courses, and I have the privilege to be guiding you throughout them. We will have lots of fun here, and you will have plenty of activities to work at home. As you know, it's time for us to stay safe and stay at home with our family members, the people we love the most, and take advantage of this time to create great memories with them. That's what I've been doing throughout these days. We really miss you guys, but it's very important to stay safe at home. I hope that you guys remember that we stayed on unit number 7. But if you don't worry. I will take you step by step on what we saw on unit number 7. If you remember, we were talking about food. There's a lot of food, and maybe you like some, and maybe you don't like some of that food. So, we will take you through this video, and I hope that you remember what we were learning in unit number 7. But if you don't worry. I will take you step by step. And by the end of this video, I will have some questions for you to see if you like some food or maybe you don't. Come with me. Let's go to my PowerPoint presentation. Now, we're going to review our Unit 7 topics. So welcome back, everyone. Remember, this is Beginners A, and I am your teacher, Rene. First, we will start reviewing some of the vocabulary that we saw in Unit number 7. As you remember, we're talking about food. Yes, food. So here is a list of some food that comes in the vocabulary. So repeat after me. Bananas, pineapple, strawberries, tomatoes, carrots, potatoes, chicken, spaghetti, cheese, yogurt, water, and lemonade. Perfect job, everyone. Now, I want you to choose which one is your favorite from all of these vocabulary words. My favorite word is water. I love drinking water every day. Now let's go to the next slide. As you remember, we are talking about food, and we need to know who likes it and who does not like it. So, we're going to check out a little bit of what we saw before getting to Unit 7. So, I hope that you guys remember this, but if you don't worry. We will go through it real quick. First of all, let's take a look at do and does. We will be using these ones throughout our unit, so it's very important that you remember how to use them. To know which one to use, we need to identify the subject. The subject could be I, you, we, they, he, she, it. But according to the one you use, you will have to choose between do or does. Remember, there is a negative form of using both of them. In this case, we have don't and doesn't. If you're going to use do or don't, you will have to have a subject I, you, we, and they. But if you're going to use does or doesn't, we are talking on third person, and that will be he, she, or it. For example, I do like fruits. You don't like vegetables. We do like fruits. They don't like vegetables. Now going does, he does like vegetables. She does like fruit. It does like fruit. Excellent. Remember, when you're using the negative, use the word not, or you can use the contraction don't or doesn't. Moving on to the next slide, we have like and likes. This is also used depending on the subject. First, we're going to focus on like. In like, it will be depending on the subject as do and don't. For like, we will use I, you, we, and they. For likes, we're going to use the third person, he, she, it. Now, let's see some examples. Do you like fruits? Yes, I do like fruits. And in the negative form, no, I don't like fruits. I like vegetables. Example number 2. Does he like fruits? Yes, he likes fruits. And in the negative form, no, he doesn't. He likes vegetables. Excellent job, everyone. So now, I hope that you guys remember a little bit about what we were learning in unit number 7. So, I have a question for you. Do you like apples? Excellent. I like apples too. They are my favorite fruit and I eat them every morning. But do you like bananas? Excellent. I don't like bananas. I like pears instead. So everyone has different things they like and don't like. I hope that you had a great time remembering this because now I have a series of worksheets for you to work on. I will leave the worksheets in this platform so that you can work on them. Maybe you can have a little help from your parents. But these are about you. So you will be telling me the things that you like and the things that you don't like. We're going to be focusing on food, but remember, there's plenty of things that we like and a lot of things that we don't like too. So, with these activities, you will get to know a little bit more about yourself and what are the things that you really like and what are the things that you don't like. Remember, guys, these activities are for you to practice at home. If you need help, you can always contact us through the WhatsApp app and I will assist you right away. Remember, guys, this is all about fun, so I hope that you have lots of fun doing these worksheets.
Okay, guys. Now we're going to take a look at the three different worksheets that I have for you. They are very simple and they are lots of fun. You can work with a family member if you want to. Remember, everything is more fun when you work as a group. So, in the first worksheet, you are going to tell me if you like or dislike any of these fruits. In number 1 through 12, you will have to draw a smiley face if you like the fruit or a sad face if you don't like the fruit. For example, in number 1, do you like apples? I love apples, so I'm going to put a smiley face on number 1. For an extra activity, you can check the boxes located underneath the illustrations of the fruit if you like them. And if you don't like them, you can mark an X on the box. Moving on to the next worksheet. In this one, we have a fruit and vegetables word search. Right here we have plenty of words that you can practice with. Remember, you can have a little help from your parents to finish this worksheet. It's lots of fun and I love word search. Finally, on the next worksheet, we have a little list where you will have to write down below the image of the food that you like and the food that you don't like. For example, I love hamburgers, so I will place hamburger in the section where I like. But I don't like cucumbers, so I will place the cucumbers in the section of I don't like. Remember, you can do these activities with your parents. You can ask them what do they like and what they don't like. Remember, guys, it's all about fun, so try making this a family activity.
So that is it, everyone. I hope that you had lots of fun remembering a little bit about unit number 7. We will move on now and we will start looking at new material next class. So be ready, guys, because we're going to have lots of fun. I hope that you stay safe at home and have a great time with your family. Remember, these are important times to take care of ourselves and our loved ones. I hope that you're doing the best at home and that you're having a great time. Remember, here at ESL, we can't wait to see you guys again at school. But for now, we have a great time using this online courses. Remember, if you have any questions, you can contact me through the WhatsApp app and we can have a great time figuring out your doubts or your questions. Remember, guys, have a great time and stay safe at home. That's it for me. Goodbye, everyone.